Hi vlogs, welcome to my guys. And guys, good evening at sa maulang gabi ngayon. And guys, kakain tayo ng balot guys. Pampainit, pampasarap. Balot na masarap at malinamnam. Ito guys. This is how to eat balot guys, no? In the Philippines guys, balot at pinakamasarap guys, no? Ito guys. Ayun guys, oh. Post lagi tayo ng suka guys, suka. Okay. Higop. Sarap. Ang sarap ng jowa mo. Ito guys. Lagyan tayo nasin guys, no? Palakas guys. Ito guys, so, ang kanyang chicken guys, oh. Ang balot to. Maliit lang siya. 17 years old. Kakainin ko na siya guys. Para masarap. Harap. Ito guys, yung ano niya, yung dilaw niya. Kakainin na natin. Para kang kumakain ng ano, halimuyak. Ito, napaksarap. The best balot. Bye bye guys. Please don't forget to like and share my video. Bye bye. This is Chatin TV. Especially signing. Bye bye.